From the quiet expanse of space, our planet appears as a serene blue marble, a beacon of life in the vast darkness. But this calm facade hides a raw, untamed power. Here, on the surface, nature unleashes forces that defy imagination, creating landscapes that feel alien, almost otherworldly. Our planet is beautiful, a masterpiece of cosmic creation, but it can also be terrifying. A world where extreme phenomena remind us of its volatile heart. In some places, the very laws of nature seem to be rewritten, behaving as if they belong to another world entirely. This is a journey to the edge of our understanding, to witness the most extreme natural wonders on Earth. Our first stop takes us to the desolate shores of Lake Natron in Tanzania. From above, it's a stunning canvas of red and orange hues, a seemingly beautiful, shallow body of water. But beneath its vibrant surface lies a deadly secret. This isn't just water, it's a caustic brew with an alkalinity comparable to ammonia. Temperatures here can soar to 60 degrees Celsius. For most living things, a dip in this lake is fatal. The extreme sodium carbonate content acts as a natural preservative, mummifying animals that perish in its waters. They wash ashore as eerie, stone-like sculptures, perfectly preserved in their final moments. Yet, against all odds, life finds a way. This harsh environment is the world's most important breeding ground for lesser flamingos, who have adapted to its unforgiving conditions, building their nests on salt islands, safe from predators. Lake Natron is a stark paradox, a place of death that simultaneously nurtures new life. From a lake of stone, we travel to a crater of fire. In the heart of Turkmenistan, as Karakum Desert, lies a spectacle of infernal beauty known as the Darvaza gas crater, or more fittingly, the door to hell. This fiery abyss, nearly 70 meters wide, has been burning continuously for over 50 years. Its origin story is a tale of human era meeting geological anomaly. In 1971, Soviet geologists, drilling for natural gas, accidentally punched into a massive underground cavern. The ground collapsed, creating the crater and releasing a torrent of toxic methane gas. Fearing the gas would spread, the scientists made a fateful decision. They lit it, expecting the fire to burn out in a few weeks. More than half a century later, the flames still roar. A perpetual bonfire consuming an unknown quantity of gas from one of the world's largest reserves. At night, its glow can be seen for miles, a man-made wonder born from a mistake, now a permanent feature of this desolate landscape. The door to hell is a powerful, hypnotic testament to the immense energy hidden just beneath our feet. Now, we journey to a place where the sky itself puts on an endless, electrifying show. Over Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, a unique meteorological phenomenon occurs almost every night of the year. This is the home of the Catatumbo lightning, a relentless, silent storm that flickers across the horizon. For up to 10 hours a day, and on as many as 260 nights a year, lightning strikes illuminate the clouds with incredible frequency, sometimes more than 28 times per minute. This isn't your typical thunderstorm. It's a near-continuous light show created by a perfect storm of conditions. Cool mountain winds sweep across the warm, humid air rising from the lake, generating massive storm clouds. The high concentration of methane from the surrounding swamps is thought to further fuel this electrical spectacle. The result is the single largest generator of tropospheric ozone on the planet. For centuries, sailors used its predictable glow as a natural lighthouse, naming it Maracaibo Beacon. The Catatumbo lightning is a breathtaking display of atmospheric power, a storm that never seems to end. Our next destination takes us to the coldest, driest, and highest continent on Earth, Antarctica. Here, in a landscape of pristine white, a startling anomaly bleeds from the ice. Flowing from the tongue of the Taylor Glacier is a 5-story, crimson cascade known as Blood Falls. For years, its source was a mystery. Scientists initially thought red algae were responsible for the bizarre color, but the truth is far more ancient and fascinating. Trapped beneath a glacier for over 1 million years is a subglacial lake, a time capsule of microbial life. This water is incredibly salty and, crucially, rich in iron. Sealed off from sunlight and oxygen, it became a unique ecosystem. When this iron-rich water finally seeps through a fissure in the glacier and meets the air, the iron oxides it rusts. This is what gives the water its shocking blood-red color. Blood Falls is more than just a geological curiosity. It's a window into a hidden world, proving that even in the most extreme and isolated environments, life can persist in forms we are only just beginning to understand. From a red waterfall on ice, we travel to a blue waterfall in the ocean. Off the coast of Mauritius, in the Indian Ocean, a truly mind-bending spectacle unfolds. From the air, it appears as though a colossal waterfall is plunging into an underwater abyss. A river of sand and silt seems to pour over a ledge into the deep blue. But this breathtaking sight is not what it seems. It's a masterful optical illusion. What we're actually seeing is not water falling, but sand being pushed off a high coastal shelf by powerful ocean currents. The dramatic topography of the seafloor here, dropping from shallow turquoise waters to depths of thousands of meters, creates the stunning visual effect. The flow of sand cascades down the steep slope into the darkness, mimicking the motion of a waterfall perfectly. This underwater cascade is a beautiful reminder that our perception of the world is often shaped by perspective. It is a trick of light, water, and sand, a magical illusion crafted entirely by nature. Now, we plunge into one of the ocean's most iconic mysteries. Off the coast of Belize lies the Great Blue Hole, a near-perfect circular chasm of deep blue water surrounded by a ring of turquoise reef. At over 300 meters across and 124 meters deep, it's one of the largest marine sinkholes in the world. From above, it looks like a giant eye staring up from the ocean floor. This geological wonder was formed during past ice ages when sea levels were much lower. It was once a dry limestone cave system. As the glaciers melted and the seas rose, the cave flooded and its roof collapsed, creating the massive vertical cavern we see today. 4 divers descending into the blue hole is like traveling back in time. As they go deeper, the vibrant reef life gives way to an eerie world of giant stalactites and stalagmites, formations that could only have grown in a dry cave. The Great Blue Hole is a geological relic, a silent, deep abyss that holds the secrets of Earth's ancient climate. Our final destination leads us to the serene waters of Lake Kivu, nestled between Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. On the surface, it's a picture of tranquility, one of Africa's Great Lakes, supporting millions of people who live along its shores. But hidden in its depths is a ticking time bomb. Lake Kivu is one of only 3 known exploding lakes in the world. Its deep waters are saturated with enormous quantities of dissolved gases, primarily carbon dioxide and methane seeping up from volcanic rock below. This creates a highly stratified lake with dense, gas-rich layers at the bottom. If a trigger event, such as an earthquake or volcanic eruption, were to disturb these layers, it could set off a catastrophic limnic eruption. The sudden release of these gases would be like opening a shaken bottle of soda, triggering a chain reaction that could send a massive cloud of suffocating carbon dioxide sweeping across the surrounding landscape. Lake Kivu is a place of quiet, hidden danger, a reminder that some of nature's greatest threats are the ones we cannot see. From lakes that petrify to craters that burn for eternity. From endless lightning storms to waterfalls of blood and illusions in the sea. Our planet is a world of staggering contrasts, a realm of both breathtaking beauty and terrifying power. These extreme phenomena are not just curiosities. They are the expressions of a living, breathing planet, a dynamic system of forces constantly shaping and reshaping our world. They push the boundaries of life and challenge our understanding of what is possible. The Earth is wild, beautiful, and full of secrets waiting to be discovered. The more we explore, the more we realize how much is still left to learn. Stay curious. Thanks for watching.